This lesson is about evaluating algebraic expressions. From the given direction, evaluate the given expression when A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 3. So, number 1, A plus B. So, let us substitute the value of A, which is 5. Then, let's copy the given operation. Then, let's copy the value of B, which is 3. And from here, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 8. Another, 4A minus 6. 4A means the product of 4 and A, which means we're going to multiply 4 and the value of A, which is 5. So 4 times 5 minus 6. So do not forget the GEMDAS, which means we have to multiply it first before we subtract. 4 times 5 is 20 minus 6. And from here, 20 minus 14, which means 4A minus 6 is equivalent to 14. Another, evaluate the given expression when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4. So, just simply substitute the value of x and the value of y. So we have here 2. The value of x is 1. Plus y squared. So we have here 4 squared. Again, do not forget the GEMDAS. This is the product of 2 and 1, which means we are going to multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 4 squared. From what we have studied, 4 squared means you're going to multiply the base to itself twice. So 4 squared is equivalent to 4 times 4. And from the GEMDAS, you have to multiply this first because it's inside the parentheses. So 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2, then the answer will be 18. So if we evaluate 2x plus y squared, the answer will be 18. Another, y cubed minus 6x. The value of y is 4. So we have 4 cubed minus 6x, and the value of x is 1. Since the exponent of 4 in here is cube or 3, then you will multiply the base to itself 3 times. So we have here 4 times 4 times 4. So let us separate this from this. So we have minus. And then 6 times 1 is 6. So let us simplify first 4 cubed before we subtract 6. 4 times 4 is 16. But then again, we still have to multiply it to 4. And 16 times 4 is equivalent to, so we have 6 times 4, 24, carry 2, 4 times 1 plus 2, we have 64. And 64 minus 6 is equivalent to 58. Therefore, if we evaluate this, the answer will be 58. Another, evaluate the given expression when P is equal to negative 4 and Q is equal to 3. Again, P is negative 4 and Q is 3. So plus 3 squared negative 4 plus the square of 3 means 3 times 3. So let's evaluate this first. 3 times 3 is 9 plus negative 4. So we have here 4 negative and 9 positive. Then the answer will be positive 5. So this will be 5. Then for number 6, 3p divided by 2. So we have here 3. The value of p is negative 4 divided by 2. So let us multiply 3 and negative 4 because this is the product of 3 and p. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 divided by 2. Then the answer will be negative 6. So this is equivalent to negative 6. So let's have number 7. Evaluate the given expression when m is equal to 8 and n is equal to negative 2. So we have here 2 times the sum of m and n. M is 8 and then n is negative 2. So negative 2 squared. So we have here 2. Let's simplify first what's inside in here. Negative 2 squared is equivalent to negative 2 times negative 2. So we need to simplify this first. Negative 2 times negative 2 is equivalent to positive 4 because negative times negative is positive. So this is already 4 plus 8. Then let's get the twice of it. 8 plus 4 is 12. And then we have to multiply it by 2. And 2 times 12 is equivalent to 24. So the answer is 24. Another. Negative 3m plus n. So we have here negative 3. The value of m is 8 plus the value of n, which is negative 2. Negative times positive, the answer will be negative. And negative 3 times 8 is equivalent to negative 24 plus negative 2. As you observe, we are adding both negative, and therefore the answer will be negative 26. Let us have this. Evaluate the given expression when C is 9 and D is 2. Again, C is 9 plus D, which is 2. Then we will get the square of it, which means we have to add before we get the square. 9 plus 2 is 11. Then get the square. This means that we will have 11 times 11. And 11 times 11 is 121. And for the last one, for number 10, we have here 2 times the sum of C, which is 9, plus 5D. So we have 5 times 2 divided by 4. So 5 times 2 is 10. So that will be 10 plus 9 over 4. So 9 plus 10, we have 19. So we have 2 times 19 over 4. In here, we can already simplify this by dividing 2 and 4. So this will be 1/2. And from here, The answer will be 19 over 2. And that's it. I hope you learned. Thank you.